Hello children, today we are going to read a very short and beautiful poem about books. Let us first recite this poem. Come in, said the library door. I opened it wide and saw books galore. Tall skinny books up high on the shelves, little fat books that stood by themselves. I opened one up and sat down to look. The pictures told stories. What a wonderful book. Let's understand this poem line by line. So, the library door said, come in, come in. And when the poet opened the library door, what did he see? He saw books galore. That means there were so many books. Books in large number. Tall skinny books up high on the shelves. That means some books were tall and skinny. That means thin. Those tall and skinny books were placed on the high shelves. Little fat books that stood by themselves. Some books were fat and little. These books stood by themselves. They did not need any support. I opened one up and sat down to look. The poet opened one book and sat down to look at it. The pictures told stories. What a wonderful book. That book had pictures which told stories. Let's look at the new words of this poem. Library. What is a library? Library is a place where you have so many books to read. A building or room having collection of books. What is a library? It is a building or a room having collection of books. Wide. Wide means you have studied this in mathematics. There are different dimensions. You have length, you have width, and you have height. So this is width. Wide is of great width. कोई चीज़ वाइड कब होती है? जब उसकी विड्थ यानी कि चौड़ाई ज़्यादा होती है. Galore. Galore means in big number, in abundance. That means कोई चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा होना, तब हम उसको बोलते हैं कि that is galore. So library is a galore of books. There are so many books in a library. Skinny. Skinny means very thin. Shelves. Shelves, it is plural of shelf. This is a shelf. Shelf is a place where you keep things. Rack for display of objects. This is shelf and these are shelves. When it is one, it is shelf. When it is more than one, then we call it shelves. This is nothing but a rack for display of objects. Wonderful. Wonderful means extremely good. बहुत अच्छा. Now let's do some of the question answers from this poem. What did the library door say? Do you remember? The library door said, come in, come in. What did the books in the library look like? The books in the library looked tall, skinny and little fat. What type of books were there in the library? Tall, skinny books and little fat books. Why did the child in the poem like looking at the pictures? The child in the poem liked looking at the pictures because pictures told stories. The pictures were telling stories. That is why the child liked to look at those pictures. Let's understand some word families now. ELL. Now we'll do some words which end with ELL. First of all, can you identify this? This is a well. Now next, what are these? Shell. These two words are ending with ELL. L, sound of L. Let's do more words. This is a bell. Well, shell, bell. Next, spell and tell. So, these are the words which belongs to the ELL family. Well, shell, bell, spell, tell. These are also the rhyming words. Next word family, AIL, ale. Let's understand some words. What is this? This is tail. Next, what is this? This is male. Can you identify this? This looks like a path. This is trail. And last one, rail. So, all of these words, they belong to AIL, ale family. Tail, male, trail, rail. Next word family is double E, E. Can you identify? C. Can you identify this word? Spell the number. It is 3. Next, can you identify this insect? This is bee. Last one, tree. So, this is E family. C, 3, B, tree. Now, next word family, double OK, ook. First one, book. Second, what do you do with your eyes? You look. Next, this is a small stream of water. Do you know a word for this? Small stream of water. Brook. You call it brook. All these nails, look at them. These are little bent. What do you call it? You call it crook. मुड़ा हुआ है. मुड़ा हुआ मतलब crook. Now, he is shaking this tree. What is second form for shaking? Second form for shake. Now, he is shaking this tree. What is second form for the word shake? It is shook. So, the words for double OK family, that means ook, book, look, brook, crook and shook. Now, next exercise is fill in the blanks after reading these sentences. And dash is a place where aeroplanes take off and land. Do you know what is name of this place where aeroplanes take off and land? This is airport. An airport. airport. Next, a dash is a place where food is cooked. Can you name the place where food is cooked? It is kitchen. A kitchen is a place where food is cooked. Next, a dash is a place where sick people are taken care of. Where are sick people taken care of? It is a hospital. A hospital is a place where sick people are taken care of. A dash is a place where you can buy things. Name a place where you go to buy things. You go to the market. A market is a place where you can buy things. A dash is a place where children study. Where do you go to study? You go to school. So, a school is a place where children study. Now, you will read this poem once and then you will do its exercise. Thank you.